How did I not learn this before? Everyone is frying rice with eggs after seeing this genius idea. Start by adding 6 whole eggs to 2 cups of cooked rice in a large skillet over medium to low heat with hot vegetable oil, and mix everything very well until fully combined. Season with a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and stir until the egg is fully cooked. This is the right point. Now, add 1 medium carrot cut into small cubes, chopped green onions to taste, and stir to combine. Then, add 100 grams of fried slices of smoked sausage, 100 grams of fried bacon cubes, and stir one last time. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. This is the right point. After doing that, cut 4 medium peeled potatoes. Cut them in half and then into strips just like I'm doing. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. If you'd like, you can add other ingredients or even switch up the seasonings when preparing the rice. It's totally up to your taste. Feel free to enhance or adjust it however you like. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. Next, transfer them to a medium bowl. Season them with 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a drizzle of olive oil, and mix everything very well to combine. Transfer them to a baking tray, spread them out, take to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 20 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.